Back out here again. Here we are. Painted her white. I'll probably clean that up a little bit more, the axles and stuff, and probably hit that. Not white, but probably hit that with 415. The whole thing. But got it all painted up, new gasket, new axle grease in the back. So that was nasty. There was sludge in there, like the whole bottom, like right around from here all the way down. Yeah, mind the overspray. I had to hit it. I had to do a little touch up, a little scratchy scratch when I put it on. But it was like from here all the way across was like, it was just sludge. Ugh. Got it all cleaned out. Doesn't look like anything's leaking. Not bad. I think I like it. I think it looks good. Cool. Well, hope you guys have a good one. And until the next project, which actually might be the fenders, I got those back, and the door. The doors, we'll start working on that crap. Alright? And we'll probably do that live, so peace.